Okay, I've made some modifications. One of them is I've changed the water sensing off digital to analog, and it's much quicker and more sensitive acting now. Well, that's deep in there. The alteration's been done on with the code. The other thing I've done, I've put these two LEDs. One is going to show me standby, and it can stay on standby for days. And the other is that it's activated, and this is working and doing its job. So first thing that we would do is we'd switch on, and now I've switched on, it's in standby mode, and that LED there is telling me that I'm in standby, and it can literally be like that for days without affecting. Well, I'm going to show you the two reed switches operating. So it's in standby, and that's how it will go on the boat. And then when I want to, that's just a magnet on the end of there. When I want to activate it, I'll just... So now it's activated. It gets tipped over the side. The green one stopped flashing, and now the red one, which is we're in working mode. And then when we've done our thing, we've picked it up and we want to swap it back, we just do that, and now it's switched all this electronic off, and now you see it back on standby. That's really cool.
It's on standby to what, sync or?
No, electrically. So all this electronics has been disconnected.
Right.
By the wave of the magnetic switch.
Yeah.
So it's not draining my batteries.
Right.
So this is how you prep it in the morning, ready for dumping it over the side of the boat in the afternoon or something. And then when you're ready to go, you just wave the magnet over the run. You see how it's on green now, standby.
Yeah.
No load of much consequence being used. And then you just do that. This bursts into life, does its test, and yeah, all good.
Right.
And then to switch it off. Oh shit. Right,
clearly that won't be open anyway on the day.
No. And that all fits in this setup here. You've not seen this setup. The cylinder will be in there, and that will be controlling and purging these ballast tanks. The electronics will be in there, and that burn chamber will fit inside there. I'll show you the burn chamber operating with the new analog system. So
you've changed to analog from what?
Digital. With digital, I wasn't able to tune into the correct threshold. When I moved to analog, it was easy to find it. I could tune it in, and now I'll show you how well that works. Yeah, you're looking at that weight, but also we're in standby, so I'll switch it on. Now it's switched on. That's done its test, and then we'll have a water leak. So it detected the water